Ka khubor na kasunjuk Kiseng Rangba Catholic Jawai Diocese. Ka election committee jong kasunjuk Kiseng Rangba Catholic Jawai Diocese kala penlong ya ke election banjet ya kinong kitkam bathamai jong kasunjuk haka khat santarek jong benai leber ahja apusan haka annual meet bakhat khandai jong kasunjuk kabala penlong ha parish sa snya. Kat kum ka result jong election kinong job bar kinong kitkam bathamai jong kasunjuk kilong kumni. Presiden Ima Henry Manar, Vice President Ima Wendolin Shulai, General Secretary Ima Hubert Terniang, General Joint Secretary Ima Francis Latong, Chairman Haka Finance Ima Agustin Kendai, Finance Secretary Ima Leo Lalu, Assistant Finance Secretary Ima Romeo Lamare, Liturgy Secretary Ima Stalbinus Dakar, Advisor Ima Michael Nongtudu. Lapun kubor ya kini kinong kitkam bathamai jong kasunjuk da Most Reverend Ferdinand Dakar lendok saat Kejawai Diocese hakanik annual meet haka khandre turik jong benai leber ahja apusan haka parish sa snya. Kat ba ya kiwai pat kinong kitkam kumki branch secretary bat ki executive member jong kasunjuk lajit pendep hak executive committee meeting jong kasunjuk kepala penlong hak ni kesmi sajan kasantarik jong ni benayayong ahja apusan hak office trekam jong kasunjuk kebadon Hasamanlang Pastoral Center hayeng Bishop Lombi Sentu Saume. Ki post by lajit thamai kilong kumni. Publicity Secretary Ima Dennis Kurkalang, Cultural Secretary Ima Francis Langleng, Social Welfare and Relief Secretary Ima Demetrius Nongtudu, Registrar and Statistician Secretary Ima Ricaldus Pasi, Food Secretary Ima Adelbert Pasa. Lajit ru ya Chairman dan Secretary jong Election Committee jong kasunjuk kumni. Chairman Ima Amin Suting, Secretary Ima Kasyan Suchiang, Ki Auditor Ima Savio Sutunga bat Ima Lois Suchiang. Ki Executive Member jong kasunjuk pat kilong kumni. Ki President bat Secretary jong Barok Khat Pratali ki Parish jong Kejawai Diocese. Ki Nominated Executive Member ki Kentup ya Ima Gilbert Sten, Ima Telesfor Shangpliang, Ima Bison Yano, Ima Latmon Pajat. Lapan kut ya kejingelang da kejengkerku na Reverend Father Agustin Lamin ibadai Spiritual Director jong kasunjuk Kiseng Rangba Catholic Jawai Diocese.